I belong to you. I belong to you.
Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to do a little unboxing and we're going to try and clean this case that this guitar came in. If you guys are familiar with guitars, you probably know what's inside, but let's take a look. So I've been looking for this guitar for a good several months, probably 4 months. I guess when I find a guitar that I would like to purchase, I look on Reverb, I look on eBay, basically every day and try and find a guitar. So I wound up finding this one for around $900 shipped to me, which I think is a great price for this guitar. So let's open these latches. And there you go. So this is a Fender Jazzmaster. It's the Jim Root signature. So these guitars new go for around, I think, $1,500. These are made in USA Fender guitars. And I wound up snagging it for around $900 shipped. So the guitar was in perfect condition. The only issue with it, it kind of smelled like smoke. The fretboard kind of smelled like smoke. So I cleaned it with oil. I oiled it up very good. And it has less of that smoke smell, you know, after replacing the strings and oiling up the fretboard, but it still has it a little bit. So I might, you know, I guess in a month or so replace the strings again, oil it up so that smell goes away. But the case actually didn't smell, just the fretboard smelled. So maybe it was a smoker his fingers kind of smelled like smoke, and that's what happened. But yeah, let's take a look. So yeah, the guitar is basically in perfect condition. There's not a single mark on it. This is a flat finish, so you can kind of see, you know, all the fingerprints and stuff and oil on it when you play. But it's awesome guitar. So it's an ebony fretboard and mahogany body, which is kind of unconventional for Fender guitars because they're usually lighter guitars. But yeah, this guitar has, you know, some of the weight that like a Les Paul would have for that metal tone, but it still looks like a Fender. And it has an EMG 60 and 85 in the neck. So, I mean, sorry, it has a 60 in the neck and 81 in the bridge. Sorry about that. I have a few guitars already with that combination, the 81-85 or the 81-60, but you know, EMGs are awesome, and if I ever get tired of these, I'll just put some different pickups in here. But yeah, this is my first made in USA guitar, and I'm super excited about it. But this isn't what the video is about, so let's get the guitar out of the way. So as you guys seen, the case on the outside is kind of dirty, which obviously cases are, you know, just for transportation of a guitar, but I want to try and clean it up. So we're going to try and use OxiClean on this case and see what happens, because this is like a material outside. It's not your usual Tolex or leather outside. It's like a texture material. I forgot what this is called. But yeah, let's try and use some OxiClean and see if it helps. So if you guys see, the majority of stains are like right here. The whole case in general is kind of dirty, so I put some OxiClean and some warm water, and I have a brush, and let's see if it helps at all. So I think it's actually getting the stains pretty well. Try these more major stains, so if we see if it helps or not. So I've been looking online on ways to clean these type of cases, but all the tutorials I've been finding is for leather cases and Tolex cases. I haven't seen a way to clean these material cases, so is actually helping. So let's grab a towel and dry it off a little bit. Obviously this will have to dry to see the full effect. Yeah, I think this is actually definitely helping, so I'll continue cleaning it up. But yeah, I think this did a great job. So if you have one of these cases, I recommend just using some warm water and OxyClean and trying to clean it up that way. But yeah, thanks for watching. Thanks for coming back to my channel, and make sure to subscribe and like this video. Thank you.